How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. So do watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, install the Trust Wallet application on your device. Tap Open button and launch the app, and then you have to enter your authentication in order to access to your home screen of Trust Wallet. So on this screen, you can easily see the cryptos that are listed here on the home screen. You can simply select any one and buy those cryptos on Trust Wallet. But if you don't find the crypto that you want to buy on Trust Wallet, then you can tap on the buy option or the button at top right corner, which is next to receive button. And here you can easily search for the crypto that you want to buy on Trust Wallet with credit card. Or here are the list of all the cryptos. You can simply search for anyone you wish to. After that, as I wish to buy Bitcoins, so let's tap on BTC at top of the screen under all crypto. Once you have selected, you can easily choose the amount of money that you want to buy crypto with, or you can also change the currency with the help of the flag like icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you can easily change the currency as well. And after that, you can select the amount as well. Once you have entered the amount, you can easily see the Bitcoins with the help of which you can buy. At bottom, you will see the payment methods as well. You can simply tap on pay with credit card. And then after that, you can tap on the payment method from the section by tapping on the arrow button next to credit card. And here are list of the payment methods. Simply tap on credit card and select the provider as well. For me, I am selecting Moonpay, and after that tap buy with credit card button. And this will connect you safely to the Moonpay. It will take a while. You have to wait for that moment until the website fully opens. Once you land on the section, you can tap continue button at bottom of the screen. Now enter all your basic details, that is your name, date of birth and nationality, and tap on continue button. And by following the on-screen prompts and entering the details of your credit card, you can easily buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.